Thank you for joining the Marketing Conversation series. Today I'm focusing on this all important topic on the sales budget. The sales budget is the culmination of your market planning exercise. It is futile to develop a marketing plan if you are not going to translate that marketing plan into rands and cents, into money. Your sales budget is that tool that helps you to convert your marketing plan into rands and cents. It is a critical link between your marketing plan and the financial plan. After all, in order to spend money, you gotta make money. If you're going to spend other people's money, you better be in a good position to explain how you are going to make money and be in a position to pay them back. Let's look at the basis of a sales budget. In a nutshell, the basis for your sales budget is your marketing plan. That's your business case. Because you have got to consider things such as your sales objectives, the market size and the target share that you hope to capture, you are planning to capture, your promotional strategy, your competitive strategy, growth trends in the market. You got to pay attention to your historical sales. You've got to consider the market environment, the pestle analysis. For those who work on orders, your sales budgeting is a walk in the park because you already know how many orders your customers have requested. Now let's look at the practical application. I'm going to use a baker. The first task is to plan your quantities, how many products you hope to sell. For example, a baker might plan to make 100 scones in August, 120 in September, and then 150 in October. Cakes, a baker might plan to make 80 in August, 90 in September, and then 100 in October. Let's look at another product, which is bread roll. Suppose they are planning to sell 130 in August, 140 in September, and 150 in October. Done. I think our quantities are done and dusted. No more complaints. No more complaints. I just want to check formulas. There we go. Done and dusted. We've got our quantities. Next step, you've got to know to do to write down your unit costs. Suppose your scone costs you 1 rand to make. Rather, I want to put it at 2 rands to make. Suppose it costs you 2 rands. And your cakes, suppose they cost you 120 to make. There we go, we are on the roll now. And your bread rolls, suppose they cost you 70 cents to make. That's your bread roll per unit. That is done. Now we just have to check our cost of sales, or rather our variable costs. For the scone, we are going to say 100 scones multiplied by the cost of scones per unit, which is 2 rands. So calculate with me here. Help to quality assure my calculations. That is 200. So for August it will be 200, for September 240, and then for October 300. That will be the cost of your scones. We come to cakes. We are planning to make and sell 80 in August. And each scone costs us 120. Okay, I'm going to do the computation, the calculation. Just want to check, make sure I'm on track here. In August, the cost of cakes will be 96. In September, it will be 108, 120. We will use 120 to make 100 cakes in October. Okay, now the bread rolls. How do we do it? Same procedure. 130 bread rolls in August multiplied by the cost of bread roll, cost per unit of each bread roll, which is 70 cents. Do the computation. $130 multiplied by 70. Got it. It will be 91 in August, and then 98 in September, 105 in during the next month. Now we are almost there. Scones selling prices. Suppose we are selling each scone for 5 rands per scone, and we are selling our cakes. We are selling them 3 rands per unit, 3 rands per unit, and we are selling our bread rolls again 3 rands per unit. Done and dusted. Now we can determine our sales. How much sales are we planning to make? Scone, it's simple. We are going to multiply 100 by the selling price, which is 5. So 100 by the selling price, which is 5. This will be, according to my calculation, by selling price, which is B22. Okay, done and dusted. We'll sell for 5. We're planning to sell for 500 rands in September. In August, 600. In September, 750 in October. Now we do the same with cakes. It will be B5 multiplied by B23. You can help me calculate there. We'll make 240 in August, 240 in August, 270 in September, and then 300 in October. And then we do the same for the bread rolls. Then it means we are planning to sell 390 in August, 390 in August, 420 in September, and 450 in October. So what will be our total sales? Remember, this is all about the sales budget. It means we will make 1,130. We are planning to make 1,130 per product. 1,130 in August, 1,290 in September, and 1,500 in October. Please let me know on the comment section where you've got questions, and let's talk about it. That's how you do your sales budget. Very powerful tool, because if you don't plan, you might find yourself not having made enough sales to pay for your expenses. So this planning is very important. Please comment, share, and subscribe, because we are building a community that supports entrepreneurship on the Enterprising Conversation channel. This is the Iron Sharpens Iron slot. Thank you.